Good afternoon. Witnessing times of great technological advances is always exciting. Inventions of book printing, travel by air or internet, all this propelled us forward beyond our wildest dreams. Smaller things can be equally fun. I love my MP3 player. But technological advancement has all too often came at a great cost to us in many ways. To understand what I mean, we only have to look at, for example, the way in which the Hippocratic Oath has become violated because of the rapid advancement of technology. The knife and drugs became tools of choice in healing, while warmth, sympathy, and understanding are often reserved only for the relatives of the passed away patient. But even worse than this is the fact, as surgery and pharmaceutical drugs gained favor, people did not even realize how their dependency upon these two technological advances alone, they're making them less and less self-sufficient, and therefore more and more disempowered. So it is not an exaggeration to say that the advances within allopathic medicine, as great as they have been, have also come at a huge cost to us. It has left us bereft of all sense of self-sufficiency in terms of our own health and rendered us completely at the mercy of the so-called experts within the field of medicine. And in turn, the cost of this has been our utter dependency upon whatever the doctor says. But this is tantamount to handing our power to someone else, irrespective of the good intentions of the one to whom we have given our power. But how long can we continue to hand our power away to others before some unscrupulous individuals will start to see in this a gap to take advantage of our willingness to be disempowered? Yet this does not have to be so. Technology was meant to improve our lives, not make our lives worth less than they were before the advent. And nor was technology meant to disempower us and put us at the mercy of others by making us dependent upon those in the know. So where did they go wrong? The answer is actually quite simple. All that is required to answer this question is but a little thought to realize that it is not technology as such which is bad, but rather our indiscriminate romance with any new breakthrough in the world of technology. And within this lack of discrimination, we have all too often been blinded by the brilliance of the new discovery or invention, rather than to ask ourselves that age-old fundamental question: is this something which is life supportive? Or is it something that is going to disempower us in some way? truly great technological advances are those that enrich our lives and make our lives much more than was possible before the Advent. Yet these advances are few and far between. But even more rare are those that are truly life-supportive. These life-supportive inventions are centered not solely on the needs of humans, much less on the needs of a very small group of humans who are privileged, but rather on the needs of the whole of the animal and plant life of which we are a part. And it is my strongest belief that the invention of coherent multi-radiance therapy, abbreviated as coMra-Therapy, marks such a technological breakthrough in the field of medicine.